How would you like to get more traffic to your website and convert more visitors to prospects and customers? Many business owners spend thousands of pounds to have their website designed, and then they often pay marketing firms of hundreds or even thousands of pounds to drive random, non-targeted traffic to their websites, usually with dismal results. It can be very disappointing, and you may even begin to think that advertising on the internet is a complete waste of time and money. But don't give up hope quite yet. The fact is that 97% of consumers use the internet to research products and services in their local area. And according to recent studies, these savvy internet shoppers actually spend an average of 41% more when making their purchases locally. And what if I told you that one of the very best methods for reaching these cash-in-hand customers on the internet is 100% free, and you don't even need a website to take advantage of it? It's called Google Places. Google Places provides local shoppers with directory-style listings that appear in Google Maps, tailored to individual searches, complete with street addresses, telephone numbers, website addresses, and even driving directions from where they are now right to your door. And Google Places listings appear right on page 1 of Google's search results. That's prime virtual real estate, folks. Our free step-by-step video tutorial reveals how to easily and quickly get your business listed in Google Places and get your share of the thousands of local internet shoppers looking for products and services in your area. Some advertising companies charge as much as £400 to list your business in Google Places. But right now, you can get your Google Places listing free of charge. As part of our special, limited time only marketing promotion, we're making our Google Places video tutorial a £100 retail value available to you absolutely free. Simply enter your name and email address in the box next to this video and click the Get It Now button. That's it. There's no cost or obligation to you ever. However, we do reserve the right to limit or withdraw this offer at any time, so do yourself a favor. Don't delay. Get your free Google Places video tutorial right now. You'll be glad you did.